In my recent books, I've been writing out of my Buddhist practice. And this book, Touching the Edge, is a book of 99 poems, devotional poems, which have to do with the discovery of the act of practice, of what some people call meditation. Ho, Cho, Zen, An, Hummingbird Zen Hut, or Hummingbird Sangha.
If you do this, I think it kind of tunes you in a certain way as a human being, so that when you meet other people that are doing a daily practice, getting up and meditating or singing raga, your life takes on a rhythm, and other beings that you meet that are doing this you fall into the relationships with them very easily, because you both have the practice going. It's a stabilizing kind of element in your life, and it stabilizes your relationship with them too.
Each breath is the thought that leaves it, or not. And the timid doe watches me from the intersection while loquats ripen in this world. Squirrels run over the roof. It's all flying apart and coming together as fast as breath and jewel sand grains in a tide pool. I'm a mountain? Yes, and a bowl of rice roaring.
A mudra is a way of holding the hand so that the consciousness is concentrated or liberated or transformed. The simplest mudra that everyone does in sitting practice, sitting meditation, is, I call it the oval mudra. I don't know that anyone else calls it that, but it's holding the hands in an oval like that in your lap. The oval mudra of the hands is my breath holding a jewel. It is all carved where I sit. Pictures of saints painted in moving air, bald heads and calm, wild eyes saying no to dualism, to me and something else. I was wrong. It is not even one thing. Bow to the night sky, inside of everywhere, and the morning star that tastes like a fig. Bow to your blue eyes and soft toes. We might die, but we're being born. See where we are. Oh, accident. Oh, perfect. Crushed snail, like a star gone out.
There's something about Michael's poems and that projective quality of putting an image like a star gone out, putting that on the breath. And it makes, to me, perfect poetic sense, because Michael is a beautiful mammal. He's fascinated by mammals and biology. He's fascinated by the interpenetration of all his senses, so that sound is a color, and color is a feeling, and feeling is a taste. And I think that that's probably common for many artists. But what separates Michael from the pack is that he actually coined new language and new forms and syntax to express what he was feeling. And I sort of think that's what the best artists do. The best artists have to invent a grammar and syntax to express the unique way that they perceive the world.
Goya, Brahms, Monteverdi, Leadbelly, Praxiteles, Beethoven, Pollock, Miro, Chagall, Klee, Wallace Berman, Swedenborg, Baudelaire, Verlaine, Rimbaud, my grandfather, Dickens, Stendhal, Sterling Bennell.
The blue-green mud puddle is parked beside the sports truck. That's a haiku. Leave a message for Amy and for Michael.
Hi, Michael. Are you there? Michael, it's Colin. Colin and Birdie.
I am my abstract alchemist of flesh made real. I am my abstract alchemist of flesh.